Yes.
Did you request a phone call about your Chevy Corvette?
Yes, I did.
How can I assist you?
Oh, my God. I have to go all through.
No, you don't have to go. I can see everything here. Is there anything you would like to add?
How do I get the column unlocked without having it? Well, how do I get it unlocked?
You got to replace it.
Well, and that takes towing it to a dealer, doesn't it?
No, or you could do it at home, or I could recommend a mobile mechanic if you would like.
So you're not with General Motors.
That's correct. You've reached justanswer.com.
Pardon?
You have reached justanswer.com.
You haven't helped me.
I'm sorry?
You have not helped me.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Oh, so you're going to get General Motors to pay for this?
Oh, is that what you're looking for?
Absolutely.
No, I can't do that for you, my friend. I'm very sorry.
Then why am I charged $60?
I don't do anything with the billing, my friend. We just help with car-related questions. And I'm just trying to help you.
Yeah, what an absolute scam.
That would be your opinion, my friend.
Perpetrated by General Motors. I can't believe it.
Would you like me to provide you with General Motors' phone number?
I've been chatting with them for the last half an hour.
Oh, I didn't know that. I can't see what you're doing.
And they send me to you.
Oh, I see.
Damn. God damn it.
Are you sure you were chatting with General Motors?
I am quite sure.
I bet you weren't. Let me give you their number. Are you ready? It's 1-800-462-8782. Did you get that? 1-800-462-8782. I would recommend that you give them a call.
Part of the scam. You ought to be ashamed.
1-800-462-8782. Please give General Motors a call. Do you have any other questions that I can assist for you today? Yes or no?
What a joke.
All right, if you have any other questions, just reply back online. I'll be happy to help. Okay.